channel, and in this video I received a gift. Not a gift, I ordered it, but it arrived today, the last day of the year. That is, today is 31st of December 2017, last day of the year, and happiness came. The thing which me and Prajwal, my friend, me and him ordered for something which is very necessary for us, and it came today. So I'm going to collect that from his house. Let's go.
Yes, this is the box that I collected from Prajwal back in the day. Yes, of course, as you can see, it is the Riders Multi Interphone. Yeah, it is a Bluetooth intercom devices. It is a version of V6, as you can see, and I was back in the day I was very interested in buying these Bluetooth devices, that the V2, this company, the Netphone V Netphone. You can see, focus, it's not focusing. This yes, focused. As you can see, the V Netphone, it provides the Bluetooth headsets, which are very cheaper compared to the Sena and other devices. I was very fall in love with the V2 version of this, but it has one small problem, that it can only compact with the 3 riders. But this V6 which we bought is capable of uh, intercoming with, could you imagine, 6 riders, yes, of course, 6 riders and a phone. And let's open this box. Yes, the box opens like this, and as you can see, there is a manual, yeah, which will have the very obvious details. I have completely written it, and the process of pairing the Bluetooth and everything. You can get the manual, and then here it is, the Bluetooth intercom. Yeah, this is the Bluetooth intercom that I was talking about. It costed me around 2085 rupee. Yes, as you can see, the box contains the 2 intercoms, but I'm showing you the one because it was a combo offer. It comes with a combo offer where you can get the 2 intercoms at the rate of only 1. Yes, I purchased it from the bango.com. Let me switch on this. Have to press for 2 to 3 seconds. The Bluetooth intercom device is ready when it will start blinking like this. I will give the comprehensive review and how it works, what is the range. I will tell in the later vlogs, and I will make a separate video for it. Let's keep it aside. And how to switch off this, just press this little button, it will turn off. That's it. And what's inside this box? Focus. Yes. These are the clamps, these are the screws for the clamp, and I have already removed the clamp and everything and fitted into my helmet. I will show after that, and you will get the extra screws if it broke, or if you miss them. And these are the extra, focus, yes, these are the extra pads which are given to the speakers, which you can place in the helmet itself. And yeah, This is the charging cable, and I recommend you that please don't ever miss this charging cable because it's quite unique. Because अरे यार, हाँ, one side it is USB port, as all this every charger has it, and the other side you will get focus focus yes, in the other side you will get this pin, 3 mm headphone jack pin, which will go inside this hole right here. This is the place where you will have to put the 3 mm jack, and this will go to your charger. Yes, that's it guys, that's it all what you get in this box. And now let me show how it looks like after we finish the job of fixing this intercom to my helmet. Yes, as you can see, this is my helmet, SMK helmet. I will give the review after using for a long time. And as you can see, this is the mount which I was talking about, and I have clamped it right here. It will come on the left side of your helmet, and this is the pin, 3 mm jack pin, which goes again inside this port. This you can fit the intercom like this. You hear that flick sound. After that it will be fixed. After fixing, you have to plug in this one and you're ready to go. I have managed to put all my earphones back in this side, and also in this side. The two sides will have the earphone, and it also comes with the mic. See, as you can see, yes, this is the microphone. Yes, I will show you. Yes, this is the microphone. It's a good quality, trust me guys, it is a good quality microphone. It will cancel all the wind noises that you always get while riding. And I will give the complete review in the next upcoming videos. Yes, that's it.
Why?